Yo, what up? It's DeCo's here, and today I'm going to put out my weekly watch list for y'all. This week I am looking at KTOV, NBY, AHPI, FRSX, APT, MARK, FLIR, XSPA, CREX, and IDEX. So with all of these, I selected them because the virus plays are hot again. It's starting to pick back up. So with Mark, FLIR, and CREX, I am looking at thermal screenings and thermal checks because businesses around the US are starting to really want these to reopen and avoid having to shut down again. Expo is going to be essential for travel related business. They're supposed to be launching their pilot station in JFK if this coming up week. If not, they so that's one thing that I'm going to be looking at as well. IDEX, they defended their lawsuit against from Hindenburg very well this weekend on Twitter, so I can see a rally from them coming up. APT and AHPI and MBY are all going to be mask plays, with Vice President Mike Pence getting on having the conference about applying a possible mandatory mask order for everybody to stay safe and everything. And then KTOV is, they look like they're going to be running again. They're getting really hyped up on Twitter. So those are my tickers that I'm watching. I know this is not going to be a super long video. I just wanted to put out my weekly watch list. Whenever I start making my daily watch list and my case studies, I'll go more in depth to why I'm looking at these. But just as an overall for the week, I'm looking at virus plays, thermal scanners, mask, possible vaccines. I could go ahead and add INO to my list. They may have a possible run again. So keep all those in mind. We can also put AYTU and BIOC in that watch list just because they're also virus plays. So keep an eye out, fam. Stay safe with this market coming up. This week looks really unpredictable, and let's all make some profits. Peace.